and teachers generally on how to improve their mathematics. We're so gracious to have received support from an organization known as Elsevier. So they supported us to handle this workshop. This workshop is actually geared towards training teachers and students in maths, alternative maths. Today is not just another workshop, but it's something to remind us that mathematics belongs to everyone. It's not for a select few, regardless of their ability. So we are here to say that every child can think, every child can explore and succeed when given the right support and right tools. So at Teach Girls Tech Foundation, through the iMath and Investment project, we believe that the fear of maths often begins early, but we also believe that confidence can begin early. That's why we're focusing on practical, hands-on methods. We use tools like coding, which you will learn in a few minutes, Abacus, and use of AI applications to make learning engaging and accessible. Now, inclusion is not about doing something extra. It's about doing the right thing. So here we create a space where every learner can participate, where we're building stronger schools, stronger communities, more educated community. So I want to sincerely appreciate the Rivers State Ministry of Education, represented by our Director there of Special Needs. I want to also appreciate our collaborators, our trainers, facilitators, and members, and every of our partners who continue to support initiatives that strengthen learning in public schools. To our learners today, this session is for you. So in this session, you can ask questions, you explore, you try, you're free to make mistakes, you're free to learn. So mathematics is not something that you fear, but it's something that you can understand. Thank you. Let's begin. I'm really happy to be here today, and before we begin our session, we'll go through some important things to help us have a smooth and successful workshop. Now, first of all, please try and make sure your phones are on silent. And if at any point you need assistance, kindly raise your hand, and one of the facilitators will come to you. So we'll be working here together till 2 o'clock. So we encourage everyone to participate actively and stay engaged. So now also we're going to make some ground rules. So that these ground rules now, I would like us to contribute. What I mean by ground rules is what we need to have a successful workshop. Okay? So if you can suggest ground rules we are going to have for this workshop. And then once again. No chorus answers, okay? Interesting.
Today we are going to be looking at coding. How many of us watch cartoons? We watch cartoons. How many of us play games? Play games with our phones. Can we get from our students? I want to know how many of our students play games. Students design games, the animations we see, the characters we see on online games and all of that. We can use coding to do that. So I'm going to be using Scratch coding. Like, it's a simple platform application that can be used to design games. You can use it for animations, you can use it for presentations, okay? So that's what we're going to do today. I don't know if you study computer science, like computer studies. Anyway, let me just take what programming is, or coding. It means set of instruction. It's a set of instruction you give to a computer or a machine that gives it, that tells it what to do. So coding or programming, as you like to call it, is a set of instructions you give to a computer or a device or any machine to tell it what to do. It's a command. You ask it to move this way and you write the code to give that command and it will make it happen. So, sorry, I would like some of our students to be here. If we have like 2, 3 students that know how to use the computer, please, I want you to be here. I want you to participate too. So you share your knowledge with others. Please, I need a girl too, yes.
If I call any number, you call that, you clap that number. If I say 1, do. If I say 2, if I say 3. Are we ready? Yes. 4, 3, 0. AI to you, that AI can make you a better teacher and a better student. So there are tools. AI is not a bad thing if you use it correctly, if you use it ethically. So when you use AI, you become faster, you save your time, you learn more with AI. So there are tools as teachers, math teachers, that we can use to help our teaching. And even if you're an English teacher or any subject, AI can make you better and faster. So there are some tools I want to bring to us to help us in our teaching, especially in teaching mathematics. So the first tool I want to talk to us about is called ChatGPT. I don't know if you have heard the word ChatGPT. You have used it before. Can I see your hand if you have used it before? You can use AI to even create a presentation slides. You can use it to create documents. You can use it to create designs. For instance, you want to teach factorization, but you don't know how to teach it to a 5-year-old or to a 10-year-old or to somebody that is physically, I call them empowered, physically not empowered. You know what I mean? Yes. How do you do it? You can just write a prompt to ChatGPT describing your students, describing the topic, and describing the challenge you have. And then it will make it easier for you. You can even suggest methods you can use to teach that topic to your students.